Today we're diving into the differences between a bottle jack and a floor jack, two essential tools for lifting your vehicle. But which one should you choose? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the bottle jack. This jack has a compact, vertical design, which makes it super portable and easy to store. You'll often see these in the trunk of a car for emergency use. Now, one of the major advantages of a bottle jack is its high lifting capacity. They can handle anywhere from 2 to 20 tons, which makes them great for larger vehicles like trucks, SUVs, and even RVs. If you need something heavy-duty, the bottle jack's got you covered. But, as with any tool, there are trade-offs. The biggest downside of the bottle jack is its shorter lifting height. If you need to work on a vehicle and you're trying to get under it for maintenance, the limited lift can be a hassle. Plus, because of its vertical design, it's less stable, especially on uneven surfaces. So, you'll need to be cautious when using it and always make sure to use a jack stand for safety. Next up is the floor jack. The floor jack is larger, with a horizontal design and a wide base, which makes it incredibly stable. This makes it the go-to jack for regular maintenance tasks like tire changes, brake work, or oil changes. The longer lifting arm gives the floor jack a much greater lift range than a bottle jack, so you can get more clearance when working under your vehicle. Whether you're changing tires or performing repairs, the added height can be a game changer. Plus, it's more stable, especially on uneven ground. On the flip side, floor jacks are bulkier and heavier. They take up more space in your garage and aren't as easy to store or transport as bottle jacks. They also tend to be more expensive, especially if you're looking for one with a higher lifting capacity. Which one to choose? So, which jack should you choose? If you need something portable and capable of handling heavier loads, a bottle jack might be right for you. But if you do regular vehicle maintenance and need something that's stable, versatile, and gives you more lift height, a floor jack is the way to go. Got any questions or want to share your experience with jacks? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.